Ignacio.
Hey Arjo, I'm
Hello po.
Hello. I just have a question. Since you're serving two masters right now, which is showbiz and politics, amongst them, which makes you happier and ano yung mas nakakapagbigyan sa'yo ng fulfillment?
Oh, wow. Wow, it's a very nice question. Choosing between two different fields, two different fields for it. I can't explain. Fulfillment. I don't. How should I say? I help people because I have to, and I can. Fulfillment is not even a feeling. Fulfillment, I feel once I've done something as a whole. Once there is something, that's when I feel fulfilled. Not really helping. I can't explain. It's really hard to explain. That's a very hard question. No? It's a very personal question. I take it personally. It's not about fulfillment. On the side of helping, I just want to help when I can. You want to make a change? I've said in this area, I can't do it for the whole Philippines. I'll do it here, and we've been doing it for 2 years so far, so good. With the other side of acting, that's my playground. As a person, hanap buhay ko din po. That's where also I started. That's where I told people. That's why also partly I'm here. Kinalaman na rin po yun sa showbiz ko, of course, for awareness. And I won't take that away. That's a reality. But again, fulfillment siguro po as a whole. I feel fulfilled on both, no? But really more on acting side personally. But on the helping side, I know it's more than fulfilled. It's not a fulfill. I can't explain. I just really have to. I want to help. I can help. So that's my mentality when it comes to that side po. Yun po. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thanks, Alwin.
Salamat, Alwin!
Chong, nasan ka ba?
Nandito kay Joey Austria, sorry, ito po ako.
Ayan.
Yes, po.
Si Joey Joey Austria from Showbiz on the Go, tama ba?
At saka ito palang latest ng B1 to Boses. Congratulations po. Curious question lang, so naka 1 year na kayo ni May. So could you share to us yung naging journey ng inyong as husband and wife na? And kung nagkaroon na ba ng petty tampuhan, and how did you resolve it?
Opo, pwede na po. I think that's normal naman po, pero nothing big. We haven't fought. I'm very happy. Our journey has been nothing but great. We're growing together. And I'm just very blessed that it's her. At the same time, ano po, masarap po sa feeling. My asawa as well. She's made it easier. She's been very more understanding, especially with the demand of both jobs that I'm in right now. And yun na po, her support, her care for me is on a different level. So I'm just really blessed. Yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Joey Austria.
We have here, of course, Cesar of Net25.
After Cesar, ang next na question from GMA News Online, ni Risa Almo. Cesar.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Kuha lang kami ng update for the lineup of this at kung anong update dito sa itinatag mo ng music laban. Kasi this is starting 2022. Kung may nagbibigay ka lang po sa amin.
Opo, well, there's a lot of people on the list. I think we could give it. Nandiyan ba? Yung sa list lang ate, ng music laban.
This was a third edition of the music laban.
Uy, nakalala yung music laban mo.
Ito na po yan, but it's gonna be bigger. Sorry, but I don't want to miss out on anyone. We have Carla Cray, DJ Carla Cray. We have Silent Sanctuary. We have Dilao. We have Al James. We have, of course, brother Yola Pascual. And then, of course, we have Miss Casey Tandingan. And of course, my idol Bamboo.
Wow!
So ito po, thank you ate. It's very big of an anniversary because not only is it the Music Laban and actually the third already, but it is also the 85th founding anniversary of Quezon City. So it's a tied-up partnership with Mayor Joy Belmonte because obviously with the last Music Laban also that we've had, it's been a very big impact, no, to the youth as well, to the rest na rin po, hindi na rin mga youth, sa akin rin po. And you know, everyone enjoyed it. So we just wanted to pursue for another year to give fun to the community and to the whole of Quezon City.
Same pa rin po sa QC Circle pa rin po ba?
Opo. Ngayon po, it's all the congressmen now, Vice Mayor and Mayor Joy Belmonte as well, of course po.
Thanks, Cesar.
Thank you po.
We have Miss Marie Chris Nicasio.
Yes.
Hello po. Hello.
Hi, Arjo.
Hello po. Thank you po.
Congressman Tarazon.
Okay na po.
Yes, Anay. Kung kasi curious lang kami, since na busy ka with your politics and your careers in showbiz. Pero fresh ka pa rin and guwapo pa rin as ever. Paano daw ang pag-aalaga ng ginagawa sa iyo?
Malaga po. And how do I keep myself healthy? At least po, I think I try to eat healthy as much as I can. Dahil nga po, there are times na obviously pag umiikot sa campaign and all this stuff na hindi tayo nakakapili ng food na masyadong healthy. So, on my own po, I just try to eat healthy, at least work out once a week. And yun lang po.
So, nagluluto siya sa'yo for you?
Yes po, of course. Pero sometimes, kasi obviously busy din po. So, pagkagabi, pagod na rin kami. So, normally, of course, we have food ready na rin po.
Last na lang, ano daw yung favorite na niluluto for you?
Pasta po, pasta. Yes. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Okay, ang susunod kong magtatanong ay si Archie Yao. Excuse me.
Good evening ko. Naisabatas na yung Eddie Garcia bill. Tapos very timely ngayon yung issue ng mga sexual harassment at saka sexual abuse sa mga artista. No? So as bilang galing sa showbiz, ano yung mga panukala para magprotektahan mo ang mga co-workers sa showbiz?
Opo, that is one thing that has been talking in the last 2 weeks after the issues popped out regarding the sexual harassment. It is yet to be studied, but we'll let you know definitely an update in this. But as we move forward, of course, I can't say much. There are legalities on the line as well. But definitely, we are in support to, of course, no sexual abuse. Dahil hindi naman po yan yung industry ang kinikilala ko din po. That is not the industry I grew up in. There is no truth sa panghalahatan ng LGBT na ganun sila. There's no proof to that. I beg to disagree also to nalalahatin pero meron ilan. And they have to pay the price for what they have done. And I agree with that. Pero definitely sa panukala po, hindi ko na po para paunahan, but definitely we have the House of Congress, open live Facebook po regarding all these bills and all amendments that have to be done to make sure that the safety of the young men and the adults, of course, in general, are all secured po. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Archie.
Kapatid,
yes po.
May question ng GMA7 News Online.
Going there na po. A request lang po to everyone for all your content, your social media posts. Baka po pwedeng gamitin ang hashtag Arjo Atayde Thanksgiving para we can see it at i-share namin kina Arjo. Thank you.
Hello. Sorry, Jimmy Entertainment.
Hello po. Hello po.
Nag-mention na kanina na hinahayaan mo na yung management mo with regard to projects na kukunin mo. No? Pero may conditions ka ba? Like, especially now na representative ka na ng QC to kung ano yung mga pwede at hindi. Like, for example, this bag na medyo may politics issue, di ba? May mga conditions ka ba?
Wala naman po. Kasi I started Batman's even before I became a congressman. So it's for people to think. Definitely, this is not what I do. So I'm doing it. It's a story to tell, and definitely it has nothing to do with my political career at all. It wasn't a target. As I said from the beginning, we did this 2017, way back before I was bago po ako naging representante dito sa Distrito 1. So it's way beyond the campaign period as well. So I just wanted to continue because it's a beautiful story. It's a good political drama story that I think people should watch. And yun po, the way it was done po kasi this time, obviously, as we went along, give... Hello? Ayan po. Given that there are more productions included, the budget's higher, everything's bigger. Of course, the opportunity of working with Ate Juday is fantastic. Dito John Arcelia, who we've worked with again, so I'm very happy to be working with him. And of course, the rest of the cast, the Pete, a lot to mention po. So, yeah, very blessed for this opportunity of him to come back. And,
Thank you, Larry. Ayan, Rose Garcia, may question.
Hello po.
hello po.
Yan, Arjo, kasi syempre, in a way, nasubaybayan ka namin mula na nagsimula ka sa showbiz.
Opo.
Ngayon, isa ka ng congressman at the same time, kung may buhay, may asawa ka na rin. Pag titingnan mo yung sarili mo ngayon, ano yung mga nabago kay Arjo? At ano na din yung mga pananaw mo na iba na kung para noon?
Parang wala masyado. A lot of things then po. Definitely, I'm the same. It's just the same thing. I'm the same guy. It's just that there's more maturity, there's much more responsibilities as I grow up. That's the way I see it. Nothing changed. Madami lang po talagang ginagawa. That's about it. Hindi ko po makita yun. But definitely yung pananaw, that's all because of the wisdom of the people around me, the people that I've been working with. Mula po nung Provinciano days pa kay Eddie Garcia, ang dami ko na natatanggap na words of wisdom. And definitely, as I grow up, I just really learn more on how to, more than pananaw, madami ko pong pwedeng sabihin, but more than that, it's more of how I handle myself, how I handle situations, how I accept everything in a different way, not a different perspective, but more of a different way of handling things and getting to where I want to and how I want to help people, or either how to help people or how I actually work in my showbiz career.
Connected pa rin, pero bilang may asawa, may nabago din ba sa'yo?
Of course po, of course. A lot. I don't, hindi ko ma-explain, it sounds cheesy, but I don't feel the responsibility. I just really feel like I have a best friend with me, a wife, that I'm really enjoying the journey with her. So hindi ko po ma-explain further how much else, but I really love her. And sa kanya po, of course, the way I handle things, priorities na lang po. Yun lang po siguro nag-change, priorities. But us itself, we're just growing together. That thing I'm very blessed to have.
Thank you, Arjo. Congrats.
Thank you po.
Thanks, Rose. We have Candice of Push.
Hi, Arjo. Congrats.
Hello po.
Ano ba yung nasa bucket list niyo ni May na gusto niyong puntahan? Travel getaway niyo? Hindi niyo pa napuntahan? Next.
Next, not so sure, pero we're thinking somewhere siguro po sa States again, or in Europe, but definitely she loves traveling. I also love traveling, so during breaks or whenever we can, we've explored the different, siguro po our next might be Europe again, hopefully, but not for a long time kasi nga po, we have work to do for the next months, but definitely as soon as I'm free, o makaluwang kahit a few days off, definitely I prioritize going on vacation with them.
Tonight we're celebrating your awards, Thanksgiving. Pero ano yung best celebration that you've ever had? Sa buong buhay. Top of mind.
Best celebration? Yeah, my wedding. My wedding is definitely a celebration. It's the one thing I'd be always, I don't know, out of words to say, but always be thankful that I can wake up next to her every day. Thank you.
Thanks, Candice. I think kapatid, down to our last question. Okay ka ba?
Tawagin mo yung last mo, meron akong last.
Okay, we have Carlos Aragon.
Carlos Aragon from Kapamilya. Tumutulong sa atin. Hi, Carlos.
Congratulations. And
Thank you po.
kung darating ang araw na kailangan mo nang mamili, anong pipiliin mo? Politician or actor?
It's a very hard question. Because I do both not because I think it's just plain. It's just not out of being selfish. But it really, I can't answer. It really depends on the situation, no? Hindi dahil sa patapos na yung career, what? I'm a character actor. I think, you know, I still label myself as a character actor. So, I think, yun naman ang tanong to. Okay, I'll just say it like this, and this it's so hard. As long as the people trust me, as long as the people need me, as long as I can serve the people, I will stay. In my acting career, I think I'll die acting. I think I want to go out acting, so it's one thing that I really want to do. Hindi ko po alam kung hanggang saan. Of course, it will be different when we have all these priorities. But I think once an actor, always an actor. You see them all coming back. And as an actor, I totally don't judge them for that. There's always a reason to come back. They will always call you, as I always say. Mapatheater man yan, kahit anong play or TV, big, small, doesn't matter. As I said, once an actor, always an actor. It's always going to be the same.
Maraming salamat. Joe, bago tayo mag-proceed sa next segment natin, for our last question, Mr. Jobert Sucaldito.
Oh, nice Jobert.
Yan ang mga gustong-gusto niya, siya yung finale. Nine.
Di ba? Ito magandang etching to eh. So, the rest. Di ba, ganito lang yan. From the very first day I saw you, I was able to talk to you, to this very moment. You made us all proud, actually, of what you have become. Okay. Ngayon, itatanong ko lang sa iyo, yung priority, yung sunod-sunod na priority, who are you first? A son? A husband? A big brother? An actor? Or a public servant? According to importance.
Ulit, son? Husband, Big Brother, actor, and politician.
Because you excelled in all of them, as I know. Alin ang sunod-sunod na priority? Who are you first? Son, husband, brother, actor, public servant. Total last question na rin lang, di ba?
4 lang po yun, no?
5.
Sorry, what's the fifth?
Son, husband, brother, actor, politician.
Okay. Husband, first, son, brother, politician, actor.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat. Ulit, Arjo, ulit sa husband,
son, brother, actor,
politician.
Politician, actor.
Politician, actor. In that order. Husband, son, brother, politician, actor. Palakpakan natin si Arjo! Ayan! Punta tayo sa pinaka-exciting part. Arjo, stay with us. I want to call Miss Tess Gubi of Star Magic.
Bago umalis sa